null and void and its processes were unconstitutional. In a majority decision, 6 of the 7-judge bench headed by the court's president Daniel Musinga tore into the BBI process, declaring several stages and actions unconstitutional and unlawful.
After more than 10 hours of deliberation, a 7-judge bench of the Court of Appeal has thrown out the Building Bridges Initiative appeal case. The bench, constituting of Lady Justice Fatuma Sichale, Patrick Yage, Justice Roslyn Nabuye, Justice Hannah Okwengu, Gatembu Kiaru, Francis Tuyot, all presided by Justice Daniel Musinga, have today made a landmark ruling that will see their names etched in the history of the country. On the 13th of May 2021, the High Court termed the BBI process null and void, noting that the BBI bill was an initiative of the President and that the President cannot lead a popular initiative. Also, they said IEBC was not properly constituted at the time of the start of the whole process, thus finding the process unlawful. The BBI steering committee, led by Honorable Junet Mohammed, was unconstitutional. Also, the process was not people-driven, given that public participation was not done as required by the Constitution, and the bill cannot delimit boundaries given the proposed additional 70 constituencies in the BBI report. The Court of Appeal judges during their ruling concurred with some of the High Court's decision, including the IEBC preparedness in conducting the whole constitutional amendment process and if the President can be sued. The majority of the judges during the ruling have faulted the President for riding on a popular initiative, an avenue reserved for the common man to instigate constitutional changes.
May lose their importance because priorities have changed. The solutions to problems once considered right and inevitable are shown to be wrong or to require considerable modification.
ODM leader Raila Odinga was co-initiator of the BBI process with President Uhuru Kenyatta following the famous handshake, says he is moving on from the BBI following prediction of unfavorable ruling of the High Court. In a statement released before the final verdict, Raila says the BBI was not a destination but a journey.
The President's role in the conception and initiation of the Building Bridges Initiative is writ large, and with it the panoply of power and prestige of his office.
The Court of Appeal judges have appeared to raise the bar on amending the Constitution through popular initiative and making it even harder to amend the country's supreme law. Samson Jura, KUTV.
And arguably the most influential leaders in the country,